family I entertain. On the tube, we don't hit the same. Big flames, split the game. Whatever fight you on, I'm on a different plane. I'm so cold when I roll up. My content is on swole up. Front pockets on more bucks, so just close your hand and just fold up. Oh, I'm getting mine. You steady cap. Hit like, subscribe. Thumbs up that action. So we're at Lowe's now. We're about to get some plywood and some materials to build this vanity. Small ones or those big ones? I mean, you guys are gonna get sanded plywood. So definitely not this one. 0.2, your shit will break. All right, we're gonna go to this one, sanded plywood. This, see, looks a lot better. Look at that. No splinters. Okay. Ideal for DIY projects, painting and all that. And it's 0.5. 0.5 is pretty good. $25 is not bad either. I'm getting this one, hardwood plywood. Because this shit right here, boy. $49.98. All right. So we're gonna get this one, and we're gonna have it cut into pieces to build a frame. All right. So these are your lights that we gotta get. They got 3. They got 4. So you really could pick your choice. I got a couple. I'm getting a couple 3s to make a 6-bar on each side, and the price isn't that bad. It's $13.98 for one. They got white ones.
You telling me you built a time machine out of a DeLorean?
She throw that like a pitch. Ain't gonna play bitch, I'm a hitch.
So I just left Michael's too. Forgot to record that. You can find one of these, and Michael's is discontinuing them. I can't make it with these two. So I'm maxed out. And you see the height difference with the tower that I got. So instead, I bought another tower. And then I'm going to make these the base point for the desk part of the vanity. And I am going to stand it next to this one where this light is. We're going to put the top shelf on top of both and glue it down together so it's sturdy and let that dry. I bought these containers from Michael's as well to put any type of supplies or anything that I need so it's not laying around and junky. I'm going to label everything. Don't mind my floors. I'm going to vacuum when I'm done with all this building.
Talking that shit through that liquor, but when she get home, I'ma give her a ish. Give her scrum from the back, I ain't gon' play with her. Give her D, not dip, I ain't gon' lay with her. Beat it the fuck up like Mayweather. Give her that fiend dick, she want a nigga stay with her, but you know I declined it. Just like a whip, she riding. Too much drip, I'm sliding on the ugly hoe while I'm busting on her friend. Bad little bitch, get the F in. Put the F in, fucking the nut in. Hit her from the back end. Took her off hours and put her on them 10s. She pull up and all the latest shit, don't give a fuck who your lady with. You see me better, hide your bitch like Debo niggas. How they rich, hottest nigga in the city. I'm flammable like hydrogen. With a bad bitch, Kylie Jenner. Eat her down like frozen dinner. Never ever been a hater. Always.
Hey, don't come in here criticizing, okay? I know you about to say something.
This is just taking so long, man.
I'm trying to get it done.
Damn, I would have been had this shit together already.
Since you up here, you want help? Can you put some hook nails on it? I don't know what I'm doing with those things.
Where they at? This is just more for me to add on to my project. That's what this is.
Damn! Oh my God!
Lay the shit down and do it right. Don't make me talk to you like that. Look at this shit.
Shut
Look
up.
at this shit.
It's harder this way because the boards is bending too much. Oh my. I don't got the patience for this. really don't.
Like, I'm tired of watching this shit. This is why I get upset and just start doing the project myself, man.
And then get mad when you're sweating and shit because I got you doing it and I don't got you doing it.
That shit just be taking too long, yo.
Well, I still gotta screw in the damn wheel. Gang, gang.
Tazzy, can you turn this up, please? She does thing like she's on a globe Earth.
And I like things in front of me.
It is gonna be in front of you. Can you?
It's gonna be on top of.
You're going against so-called gravity.
Yes, sir. I got the bust down rolling on the replay, probably 15,000 on the cheat. All my probation fees it paid up, got the time to lay up. Fat bitch a minute with no labor, smoking up gas in the stable, riding in a Ferrari, not a horse. Oh, we been rapping on the mic so long, but the money yeah we get hard. So this shit coming from the torso. I got music in my soul, get my heart beating, got money on me. You think I went big? I just carries in my ring, make it look even, make it look like a sad lead on me. When you came up out the trenches, you poppin' your shit, you ain't worried about homie or shawty. Came out the gutter, you know that I'm rapping it. First of the month, that when I get the packages. Jay knocking on my door, steady harassing me. Do you got some candy? I need cavities. Knowing I keep word like temp service. Got some purple leaking off into my burgundy. Blood cells in my veins powering me. Smoking, get high in the air privately. I get so tired of these damn property. Wish they would put up some new property. Naked crackhead, this some new privacy. Beating on my door with one shoe out. Two don't make back, brain and cool side. Got the 2-on-2 bitches with two sides. Tail pipe hanging out like Medusa. Snakes on the head, I can lose ya. This shit making me delusional. Sipping on drink like it's cool enough. Dabbing our way like the usual. I smoke shit make you forget who you are. Smoking no gas for the quarantine. Meditate on never boring. Scrap on my lap while I'm reading. Might as well don't think my scoring. I got the bust down rolling on the replay, probably 15,000 on the cheat. All my probation fees it paid up, got the time to lay up. Fat bitch a minute with no labor, smoking up gas in the stable, riding in a Ferrari, not a horse. Oh, we been rapping on the mic so long, but the money yeah we get hard. So this shit coming from the torso. I got music in my soul, get my heart beating, got money on me. You think I went big? I just carries in my ring, make it look even, make it look like a sad lead on me. When you came up out the trenches, you poppin' your shit, you ain't worried about homie. Came out the gutter, you know that I'm rapping it. First of the month, that when I get the packages. Pressing some ones and you know that I'm stacking it. Strap on my hip like a G.I. Joe army man. I put my bitch and I focus on naturally. Slamming that pussy like I am an athlete. Having to coming from feeling that after me. Gotta keep pants on me, that's at the trapping me. Fall like a fuck with them piss on a key. Or beating the door with a lock like a key. Beat a bad fucker, throw let her choke. Fucking on me, she can't be bored. Sitting at the top of the top, smoking reefer. I'm a good cheek keeper. It's a whole different vibe today. It's a whole different vibe. Hey, niggas come outside. It's a whole different vibe today. It's a whole different vibe. Too fast. It's a whole different vibe today. It's a whole different vibe. Too fast. A whole different vibe. It's a whole different vibe. Hey, two, bam, two, bam, two, bam, two, bam, two, bam, hey, bam, two. Bam, she's so unruly. It's a whole different vibe today. Do it for the ground. It's a whole different vibe today. Do it for the ground. Two, bam, two, bam, two, bam. Do it for the ground. Do it for the ground. Know when you're talking about some real shit. People come back to listen. When you know that you're talking about some real shit.